In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a customer in Odoo 18 step by step. Odoo, a comprehensive business management software, is designed to cater to various business needs by streamlining operations. One key aspect of using Odoo is managing your customer relationships efficiently, and learning how to create a customer profile properly is the foundation. Let's dive into the details. First, let's start from the Odoo homepage. As you log in, navigate your way over to the Sales app. The Sales app is vital for managing everything related to customer transactions and interactions, making it an integral part of Odoo's CRM capabilities. Once in the Sales app, your next task is to locate and click on Orders. This section houses all your customer orders and interactions, serving as a central point to access customer-related operations. After you're in the Orders section, scroll to find the Customers tab. This is the hub for all your customer data, where you can view and manage existing profiles, or, in our case today, create new ones. Now, it's time to add a new customer. Click on New to open the customer creation form. This is where you begin inputting the essential information for your new customer entry. You'll first need to select between setting up an entry for a person or a company. Make your choice based on who you are dealing with in this business relationship. Crucially, you must then fill in all necessary information accurately. This includes contact details, address, business information, or any other data that is pertinent to the customer profile. Ensure this information is complete, as these details will facilitate better service and seamless transactions in the future. If your customer profile requires the addition of contact information, find and click on Add Contact. This allows for an additional layer of detailed contact information, a useful feature when dealing with businesses that have multiple contact points. Ensure any additional contact information is correctly inputted, paying particular attention to email addresses and phone numbers, which are often used for correspondence. Once you've entered all relevant information, finalize the process by clicking Save and Close. This action will secure your input within the system for future reference and transactional use. To further facilitate seamless operations, explore the Sales and Purchase section. Here you can verify linked transactions or set preferences related to sales, which can streamline customer interactions. Similarly, check under Accounting to see financial details or set terms that relate directly to this customer's dealings with your company. Moreover, the Notes section allows you to input any additional information or remarks relevant to this customer. This feature can support the tailoring of interactions and services, enriching the customer experience. Remember, Odoo has an autosave feature that helps in ensuring your progress and data are continually saved, minimizing the risk of losing any important updates. By following these steps, you will master creating customer profiles in Odoo 18, paving the way to better organization and management of your customer interactions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing with Odoo.